Hey guys, Gaurav back with the videos, and today's video will be the unboxing of this Sony wireless earphones. So let's begin. So guys, this is the Sony WIC300 wireless earphones. So as you can see, it has NFC, Bluetooth, and it has 8 hours of battery life. This is wireless, as of course it's Bluetooth, and it also has HD voice calling. So as you can see, and the pricing over here is rupees 2900. So as you can see, this is the box, and on the this it says rupees 3,390, but I got this for 2,990 because I bought this from Chroma. So as you can see, this is the box, and it also has Sony's 1 year warranty. So let me just unbox this and show you what comes inside the box. So guys, this is the another box that we have got. Let me just also open this. So as you can see, you can open this box like this, and here we have all other stuff. So as you can see, this is the earphones. It's in this carrying a pouch. It's not basically, it's a one-time use. So as you can see, and we have a manual and a cable. So let me just open this. So as you can see, we have a quick start guide and some wireless stereo headset, basically telling about the features. And this is the extra ear tips. So, and this is the cable. Let me just untie this cable and see how long this cable is. So as you can see, this is the cable. So let me just bring the earphones. So yeah, as you can see, these are the earphones, and they are in ear style. So, and this is the battery. As you can see, yeah. Let me just this is the battery actually, and this is the, I guess, controller for volume up and down. It has volume up, and this is the power on off button, and this is volume down button, and it also has microphone, and this also has NFC, or you can, and on this end we have the port to charge these earphones. These earphones will charge with the cable which comes with this earphones, and it's a micro USB cable. Let me just press this to power on this. As you can see, it the blue light is blinking. Let me just go to Bluetooth, and as you can see, it detected this earphone. So pairing process is simple. As you can see, it is connected. So the pairing process is simple, and let me just test the audio quality of this. So guys, I have been using these earphones for some time now, and the audio quality is good. It's clear and loud. So it's a good buy for you also if you are into music and you don't want to spend on a headphones. So you can go with these, and this has a good audio quality. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of unboxing of Sony's earphones. So if you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.